Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you're looking to get outdoors and really see some cool places, but get there at ease, one thing that helps us the most is these trekking poles by Forest Pilot. I like their brand specifically because these are made so well. They are sturdy, and this is all terrain. Here's an icy road we're walking up, and it does have adjustable tips. This is the tungsten tip, and you can also walk on rocky, muddy, snowy terrains. Here's the snow basket, the mud basket, and you can adjust it according to where you're planning on going. It has these really smooth beechwood handles that are pretty with laser printing, comfortable and ergonomic handles that are nice for holding for a very long time, and really just focusing on the trail. With these straps that wrap around the wrist, they thought of everything. It's adjustable up to 55.12 inches, so you can adjust it according to the family, and it's easy with this flip lock quick adjust. And once it's adjusted, it stays in place. And it has a pack, so you can put it all together when you're all done, or a travel pack. And if you really do need assistance, or even if you don't and you're young like us, we really appreciate having these trekking poles so we can be outdoors that much longer.
We love it, but that's just our point of view.